This shit is whack. Got me coloring. Alright, had time for a quick shower. I was surprised that there was water in the tank. It was actually warm. Brandon has not showered today. There's way more damage than I ever thought there would be. This shit is whack.
You haven't even seen it yet.
I've seen down this road and all the way around our subdivision, and it's pretty fucking bad. And we rode down 20 a couple miles.
You should have saw it this morning on the roads. I hit a fucking tree.
We weren't even warned. They didn't even, yeah, he hit a fucking tree. Because his windshield wipers didn't work. Cracked his mirror. But anyways, they didn't hype us up about the storm. They didn't say prepare for it. And then all this
to the last
shit
second.
happened.
Then they're like, you should evacuate if you know. If you can.
The storms that don't even hit us or come to us, they hype us up 100%.
All the time.
I don't get it.
And then this one, it ain't gonna be bad.
I don't get it.
What do you know? We got trees down.
Every tree.
Down. No power for a day now.
My eye is swollen. I have a chalazion or a sty in it. Don't know how that happened. I'm fixing to ride with Todd to get gas and hamburger buns. There's generators going everywhere in the subdivision, and there's only one of our neighbors that lives straight across from us that has power and, yeah, everything. Only one. The rest of us only have electricity for the freezer and fridge. It's gonna be a long week. There's no telling when we're gonna get power back on. It literally looks like I got punched in the fucking eye. Bro, what the hell? Maybe I did.
Trying to turn around or something.
For you and I that
Hello, all you crazy cats and kittens. Carol Baskin's here.
Hell no.
you know, they'll hire
No way.
a bunch of players that committed some offenses or something. They had to
No way.
but just
No way.
Look at these son of a bitches.
Oh, God.
I appreciate your thoughts.
Oh, God.
Always good to hear from you. Good afternoon.
No way.
This is way worse than the first line, and we're not even at Buc-ee's yet.
Oh, what is this? This some bitch is blocking this lane for what?
I want to invite you to come to Spartanburg to allow me to take you
Just
to
don't.
the best home
My God, just don't.
restaurants.
Just don't. Christina told me, just don't fucking go, and I should have listened to her.
For the best southern cooking
She was right.
2 or 3 years in a row. Okay, well, we will plan on that.
Hey man, can I get through right here? You let me through right there? I just want to go through right there. I just want to fucking turn around, people. Thank you. Go around him.
We're doing some illegal ass shit right now, bro. Oh my God. We're gonna wreck. Buc-ee's is fucking packed. I know you can't see it because of all the rain on the window, but trust me.
I'm trying to get it. I got some now. Whose man is this?
You got juice? I don't know, do you?
Look at her. There she go. She's learning. She's taking advantage of this situation. You gotta be a savage out here. Savage. You would not believe the lines. The lines are all the way back to this wall. The coolers
I believe you.
lined up. You can't even get down a damn aisle, and there ain't no chips. There ain't no bread. There's some candy, and it probably ain't what you like. This is ridiculous, people. You can go in, wash your hands, and pee, but you ain't finna stand in line and check out. Alright, what we got? 31 cents. To stop for that motherfucker and let him in. You gotta let. They think because the light's out, you gotta stop. Everybody's gotta stop. Stop. Fuck that. Motherfucker, you in line, you better get it on. There's a snake cage over there underneath your feet.
lights out. We got a huge lamp in here. And then right outside the door here, it's pitch black dark. We got a lamp out here and we're cooking burgers. 2 weeks with no power. So we are on day 2, no power. It is like 11 or 12 o'clock p.m. And I had to take a poop and I went to the bathroom and the toilet was overfilling. So I grabbed Walmart bags, I put one down and I'm shitting into it. Wish me luck.
Just cleared the back road on Crawford. Went to Becky's, picked up her yard. Tired. Pushed David out of the fucking mud, ruined my shoes. Working on the weekend like usual. It's not even a weekend, is it?
So I started smelling something funny and I thought it was Barbie's fart because she literally just farted. But I walked back to my room and our grinder pump smells horrible.
What's your fucking problem? I'm trying to take a shit.
Day 3, no power. Brushing my teeth. Everyone's gone. Don't know what to do. We just got power back, motherfuckers. We were predicted 2 weeks no power. We got power back. I'm so fucking happy, bro. Shut the generator off! No! It went out again! No! Feels like I'm shitting shrimp thorns out of my asshole.
But it's wet ass pussy.
Oh no. He's drinking it right after I took a shit. Is that okay?